So welcome once again to this class of BA Part 1, and as you all know, we are continuing with paper. Which paper is this? Paper 2 and section A. As I have mentioned many times, you must go through the syllabus again and again. Bring question papers from the market, and whichever chapter we have completed in class, you should see what kind of question is coming. Can I answer that question or not? So that should be your goal. That if we have done 2 pages of democracy, then let me check what questions have come in the examination in the last years and can I answer them or not? Because only then will you know that you are able to understand the chapter. So in the last 2-3 classes, we are discussing the chapter democracy, which is a political arrangement in many countries, and here the writer discusses how this system, which is very good if it is implemented in its true form, but it has democracy is only a name. Only a name means that its real result, which should have been to take care of the individual, to give benefit to the individual of the society, it is not happening. And it has become like a machine. So again and again, like yesterday I had used the word metaphor. What metaphor is being used to describe this system? It is like a machine. So let us continue to study further the last page of this. So as you can see, let me just show you those who do not have the chapter with them, they can read from this. There is a tendency in all democracies to standardize thought and belief. What does this mean? There is a tendency. So the word tendency, inclination, a kind of a habit, or in all democracies to standardize thought and belief. Standardize? Can all people have the same kind of thought? If you make a standardized thought and belief, means everybody should have the same standard of thinking. Like I told you, in many autocratic countries where there is autocratic rule, people will not be allowed to think differently from what the state is saying. Like China is a country where, if you remember what happened last year with the spread of the coronavirus from Wuhan, all those doctors and researchers and the lab technicians, they were not allowed to speak out what was actually happening. So it is a mystery that what has happened in China. So the press there, the newspaper, the media, they are also not allowed to have any other thought or freedom of. They are all governed by the ruling administration. So this is what it means. While democracy must mean what? The word democracy means the power given to the people, for the people, of the people, by the people. But in actuality, this is not happening. Though China is a communist country, but otherwise in other countries also where there is, so to say, democracy, but people are not allowed to think differently. They don't have the freedom to think differently. They would be converted into a kind of a group which has the same kind of belief. The mechanization of mind. Mechanization of mind is deadly to all creative enterprises. What does that mean? What does that mean? Again, the term machine. The mechanization of mind is deadly to creative enterprise. In the last page also we had read about this, that if you make everything like a machine, there would be no creativity. Creativity comes from individual imagination. But if you don't allow an individual person to think differently, they will think like all others. So what can be the creativity? How Newton was able to think differently from others? The apple was falling from trees since time immemorial, but how come it was only Newton who was able to have his own creative thinking and think that? And all creations, all scientific discoveries have happened because a person is allowed to use his creative mind. Otherwise, all think alike. Whatever is happening. Daily the sun rises and the sun sets. What is new about it? So, if we all think alike, there will be no creativity in the human world. The highest creations are evolved not as the result of thinking. This is very important. This line explains the former line. The highest creations, the creations which are of utmost importance, are evolved not as the result of thinking according to a pattern, but as the outcome of insight, hard reflection and solitary meditation of men who are lifted above the common groove. Only when people are allowed to think, meditate, reflect on what is happening around us, only then they will come out with some idea that this is how things are functioning and this is how we can bring in creativity. So, this line supports the first line, paradoxical. Do you remember that I told you that the word paradoxical will come? Paradoxical as it may seem, democracy in its actual workings is anti-democratic. Very nice, beautiful line. Paradoxical means which seems to be the actual situation is opposite of what is being shown. So democracy is actually the most anti-democratic. The system which actually goes on is against people. It does not allow people to behave like individuals. Its central motive means goal means objective means aim. Very good. So she again, Sapna has added one word to her vocabulary. That motive means goal means aim or objective. So this is how you learn new words. So the central means the main motive is respect for the individual, that each human being is a separate individual and we should respect them, him or her. But in actuality, what is happening? It is not happening so. Man be thyself, said Ibsen, and our democracies demand that we conform to a more or less conventional pattern where the inner life runs the risk of being starved. Man be thyself, which means a person should be what he is actually from inside. But what happens? We have to behave in a particular manner. In India still we have little bit of liberty. In certain Arabic countries, women will not be allowed to go out without burqa, or you are not allowed to speak against the government or hold meetings in public. So, man be thyself, said Ibsen, and our democracies demand that we conform to a more or less conventional pattern where the inner life runs the risk of being starved. But what is happening actually? The inner life, the inner desires, the inner passion of an individual is starved. What is the meaning of the word starved? It is the opposite of, it is related to hunger. Starve means not being properly fed. When you do not have enough food to eat, then you say you are starving without food. So here starving is mental starvation, means you are not able to think, believe and act as you want to. You have to follow the pattern which has been set for you by the government. So we find that there can be no progress in thought if we all begin to agree in our ideas. If everybody is thinking the same way, there cannot be any progress in the human race. Only because people think differently, different discoveries have happened. Otherwise, if we have the same brain, no new thing will emerge. The artists, the poets, the scientists, because they have different kinds of patterns of thinking, they are able to create so many things. Otherwise, it would have not happened. There can be no political equality where there is so much economic inequality. I totally agree with this. There can be no political equality where there is so much economically people here, especially here in the developing countries, we find the gap between the rich and the poor is too wide. There is a lot of gap between people who are rich, they are very rich, then the BPL, the poor, they are very poor. So we cannot have the same policies for all. So we cannot have a correct political system where there is so much economic inequality. Labor, socialist and communist organizations are attempting to capture the state and its machinery for the end of establishing a better social order. So who are the group of people who are like the labor parties, the socialists who want to bring social change? They are trying to press upon the state, the government to bring about this equality in society. So national barriers are broken down and class antagonism underlined. National barriers means the boundaries and the barriers between the nations, the different countries are broken down and class antagonism emphasized, which means whether it is in India or it is in any other country, the people who are of the same group, whether they are farmers or they are the workers, they will join together, join hands and work together. Patriotism. What is patriotism? A feeling of respect for your own country. That is, patriotism is a bourgeois sentiment. Underline the word bourgeois. It's pronounced as bourgeois. It is for the working class bourgeois sentiment. Patriotism is a bourgeois sentiment and the workers must be rescued from the shackles, chains of nationalist prejudices. My country is my class, says the Bolshevik, and until the class antagonisms are set at rest, there cannot be true democracy. If a country is divided into different castes, we cannot have a democratic country. We will be divided into small group of people. The political life of a community depends upon the number of independent minds and wills which compose it. The play of thought and action is essential for health of community. So, is our community healthy or unhealthy? The play of thought and action. How do we think? How does each individual think will change the way the community lives? If you go to a country like Japan, what you will find is that how the people live there. They are very disciplined. So that is their culture of that nation. So how each individual is thinking. Even if you have shops which sell gold, silver, precious stones, they will not lock the shops. All the shops would be open because Japanese, they have this culture that they will not. They believe in the people. So in Japan, you will find that people will leave their precious things open and there is no locking. So this reflects the way each individual of that country thinks. So it is up to us that how we want to have the mind of the nation. It will depend upon each individual's thinking. So further on towards the end, this cannot be had in the present arrangement. We must strive for some better way of conducting human affairs than the lottery of the ballot box. What is the lottery of the ballot box? The voting system. So here, this voting system, according to Radhakrishnan in this chapter, does not define democracy, does not bring out true democracy in the country. It is not the right way. There should be some other system which should be made in order to